So guys, we're gonna show you something new with Samsung S10. This is amazing, literally controversial set. So firstly we'll talk about Samsung and their his promises. So Samsung has new leaked the design and display. So put in the screen set, and firstly five promise to Samsung with her that shower in this an ultrasonic in-display reader. So Samsung uses first time in display reader. So Vivo and Oppo uses always in set one and two sets, and it's like the news fingerprint, and there are 5G set, and second 5G set in the world will coming. सो अगर 60 से पहले आ गया तो सेकंड हो जाएगा, अगर 60 1+60 पहले आ गया तो ये बाद में देखेंगे। S10 के साथ आपको बैक में देयर हैज ट्रिपल रेयर कैमराज सीन at the back of this camera. So 4 cameras Samsung launching A5 2018. So it's not critical impossible, so it's possible. So triple camera are leaked. This pixel rate, first are 30 pixel and second 24 pixel and third are 13 pixel, one depth, wide range and ultra HD camera. So this triple camera also triple and gradient color scheme is using. Samsung uses nice color like this. Oppo and Vivo this launching with Find X, related to Find X. This is pretty cool light color to improve your color sequence. And the last promise of this Samsung, that this is friendly budget phone. So Samsung little bit of quite so low price, but ये तो फोन आएगा तब भी पता चलेगा. सो सैमसंग ने जब सैमसंग इसके साथ आपको हार्डवेयर अच्छी देगा. सैमसंग दिस लीक जस्ट अबाउट दिस सेट with LPDDR4 RAM with leaked and news something a 10 gigabyte RAM, 10 GB RAM with 256 storage. So this news not true or not false, is pretty good because of Razer phone 2 uses 10 GB RAM and Samsung almost uses work in this. So it's hardware that leaked as Samsung revealed. So announces 9 or 10 uses in this. So confirmly ask in the video 9 or 10 कौन सा यूज करेगा. तो जीपीयू का भी कोई पता नहीं. सैमसंग आई कंफर्म सैमसंग यूजेस माली 830 with MP60 or little bit of fast. So battery timing is good because of S9 not market level upgrade and not growing because of this S9 battery very down and very minimum. So Samsung work on this battery with S10. So like